section 6, we're going to go for some animal locomotion. So we're going to go for a leaping leopard first. Place your palms on the ground and use them to push you up. Once you reach your highest point, look over your right shoulder and turn facing the other direction. So you're going to do a 180-degree turn. And look like this, you go for leaping leopard and land back in your prayer squat. From here, we're going to go for a gorilla walk. So drag your knuckles from the back, coming into the front, place your palms, and hop your feet outside of your hands. We're going to do another leaping leopard, this time over the left shoulder, push the ground away, and turn. Another gorilla walk. We're going to do that one more time, each side. Leaping leopard, gorilla walk, and leaping leopard. And this is our last gorilla walk. So go for another leaping leopard over the right shoulder. This time we go for a falling warrior, jumping crocodile, and bring your feet outside of your hands for your fighting monkey. Ooh, ooh. Monkey noise is encouraged here. So we do another leaping leopard, falling warrior, jumping crocodile, fighting monkey. And do that one more time, each side. And fighting monkey. Now we're going to do a leaping leopard, 90 degrees over the right shoulder. So from here we're going to go for a spinning monkey. So place your right hand on the ground next to you, fingertips facing the back. Extend your left hand up and cartwheel over your right shoulder. We're going to go for a chimpanzee walk. Cross your right hand over your left. Bring your left hand out to the side and float your feet way out past your hands. We're going to go for another spinning monkey. And one more chimpanzee walk to the left. This time we're going to do a leaping leopard over the left shoulder, facing the other direction. And now we're going to do the same thing, initiating on the left side first. So place your left hand on the ground this time first, extend your right hand, and cartwheel over to that side. We're going to go for a chimpanzee walk, float your feet up, another spinning monkey, and a chimpanzee walk. From here you can do another leaping leopard facing the front and coming down to your knees.